Council, as you well know, most councils are receiving cuts in central government funding as part of austerity cuts, so they have to try and make ends meet, if you like, and one of the ways that they've decided to do that in Nottingham is there's a more commercial aspect being rolled out within and without the organisation. So they're trying to make us, wash your own face, if you like, for various departments. Now, so one of those things means that property, they can't just cut me a deal now. They, if they've got a property portfolio, then people will be looking to see that they're using that to its maximum, which means that I'll be charged, effectively a market rent. I nearly instead of using this base, I nearly used a base over there, and shared it with a power supply company. But I'm sure that the sort of rent I was asked for was a lot of money. This site you're looking at, this is the public transport team park and ride site. The public transport team, we can do what we like here, basically. Brilliant. So I built this base here, and I built that one over there, and we built these two bases, and we've done it here, and there's no cost, as in a rental cost, because this is a public transport team site. This is Nottingham City Council ground. No. So that's why, that's what puts us in a strong position. So we haven't got a revenue, an ongoing revenue cost.